pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Victoria sponge cake. For this you will need 175 grams of castor super fine sugar, 175 grams of unsalted butter, 3 eggs, 175 grams of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cream the butter and the sugar. Stir in the vanilla extract. Fold in the flour. All folded in. Divide the mixture equally between 2 identical tins. You can see that identical colour. 7-inch tins, 18 centimeters. Level off the tops. Bake for 25 minutes at gas mark for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius, fan, convection oven. When they are risen and golden, cool for about 1 minute before turning out on a wire rack to cool. For the filling you shall need some jam of your favourite flavour, cream and icing sugar to dust the top. I'm going to put some cream on one side. Move it over. Don't get it too near the edge. Something like that. On the other half I'm going to put some jam. Jelly for Americans. That should do. Should be enough. Spread this over. Something like that. I'm going to bring the other half of the cake and put it on top. so. And dust with icing sugar. That's it done. And now for the taste test. It's very soft and spongy. Oh. And very light and fluffy, very tasty. On taste, I give it a 20 out of 20. On the scrumptious scale, on appearance, I only give it 17 out of 20. Because I had odd baking tins.
Well, my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.